Suppose 3 into 10 raised to power 7 radon atoms are trapped in the basement at the time the basement is sealed against further entry of the gas. So half-life is given as half-life is given as 3.83 days. So how many radon atoms will remain after 31 days? So in 31 days, how many half-lives will be there? So you have to divide 31 by 3.83. So this will give you approximately 8.093, which we can approximate as 8. So how many radon atoms will remain after 8 half-lives? So we have calculated in 31 days, there are 8 half-lives. So n is equals to n naught by 2 raised to power n. So n naught is given as 3 into 10 raised to power 7 divided by 2 raised to power 8. Okay. So that is 256. So it will be 0.0117 into 10 raised to power 7. So this will be our answer, which is actually closer to what we have got. The difference is actually it was coming as 8.093 and I approximated it as 8. If you substitute in place of 8.093, you get the answer as closer to 1.2. Anyhow, this answer is also valid, approximately 1.17 into 10 raised to power 7, because in numericals you will be getting approximate value of options. So you can, if option is 1.2 into 10 raised to power 5, okay, so you can tick that one. Now it is given that half-life of gold is 2.7 days. We are supposed to calculate decay constant. So we have a direct formula of half-life, that is 0.693 divided by lambda, where lambda is decay constant. Half-life is given in days. So half-life you have to convert into seconds. So in one day, 24 hours into 3600 seconds is equals to 0.693 by lambda. Now from this equation, you are supposed to calculate the value of lambda. Okay. And next is we are supposed to calculate average half-life. So average half-life, we can use this relation. Average half-life is 1 by half-life, and half-life is given as, average half-life is 1 by lambda. So lambda value we have just calculated, and you can use that one to find average half-life. Next is, what is the activity of 2 milligram of gold? Okay. So activity is defined as lambda into n, where lambda is the decay constant, n is the number of atoms or nuclei present. So lambda value we have just calculated, and that value was actually 2.9 into 10 raised to power minus 6. We need to calculate the value of n. So it is 2 milligram. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 grams, or 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. This, okay, wait. We have 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 grams of gold. Okay. Mass of 1 mole of gold will be 198 gram. To find the number of mole, this will give you number of moles. We have to divide mass divided by its atomic mass. To find the number of molecules, you have to multiply this term with 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. This will give you total number of molecules or total number of atoms, where 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 is Avogadro's number. Now in this formula, you have to substitute the value of n, substitute the value of lambda, and you can calculate the answer. and answer will come as 6.06 into 10 raised to power 18. Thank you.